Welcome. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable two-factor authentication on the Pinterest app on your PC, following the latest update. This can help simplify your login process if you find the extra security step inconvenient. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on it to open the Settings menu. Once you are in the Settings, navigate to the Security section. Here you will see an option labeled Require Code at Login. If this is enabled, it means two-factor authentication is currently active. To disable it, simply uncheck the box next to Require Code at Login. After you uncheck that box, Pinterest will ask you to verify your identity by entering your current password. Type your password carefully, then confirm it by typing it again if prompted. Next, you will be asked to enter your email associated with the Pinterest account, followed by your password again. This extra step ensures your account stays secure while making changes to the security settings. Following this, enter your phone number linked to your Pinterest account. Pinterest will then send you a verification code via SMS to this number. Enter the verification code in the space provided to verify your identity. Finally, Pinterest will give you a backup code for your account. This code is important as it can be used to regain access if you ever lose access to your phone or authentication method. Be sure to save this backup code securely. Once you've completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be successfully disabled on your Pinterest account, allowing you to log in without requiring an extra verification code. Thank you for watching.